and like a sucker, I went and bought it.
Now that Veronika has crossed the 666 subscriber threshold, welcome to YouTube Hell.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Veronika and I'm a part-time reseller. I sell primarily women's fashion on the platforms Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, THREDUP, and The RealReal. Occasionally also on other platforms like Facebook Marketplace. And on this channel I document my reseller journey and I bring you unboxings, what sold videos, reseller vlogs, and all kinds of other fun stuff. Thrift with me's, hauls. You know the drill. If you're interested in reseller content and it sounds good to you, I would appreciate you sticking around for this unboxing today. And also, if you really like it here, hit the like button, subscribe if you feel like it, and we're gonna dig into a box today. We have another THREDUP box. Big surprise there, Veronika got another THREDUP box. This THREDUP box, it's a shoe box and it has 5 pairs of shoes and they're all in a size 10, which happens to be my shoe size. And I recently saw that THREDUP had these size specific shoe boxes for $34 for 5 pairs plus tax and shipping, so you really end up paying around $42 for the whole box. So I think it comes out to around, what, $8 per shoe, per pair of shoes, which is more than I would like to spend for shoes that I intend to resell. But my hope with this box is, because it's in my size and because they finally had a size 10 available and like a sucker, I went and bought it. My hope for this box is that I'll get maybe 1 or 2 pairs for myself. I don't really care about the brand as long as it's a cute style that I enjoy wearing and as long as they're in good shape and decent quality, but maybe not a great pair for reselling. I'll be totally happy to keep a pair or 2 for myself, and then hopefully whatever else is left in there, the other 3 pairs, will make me a profit on this box. I had a tiny little bit of a credit on THREDUP from selling items. It's been slow for me with that, and so I think I paid $39, but again, it doesn't really change the average price too much. So we're gonna dig in. The box is still taped up here. Got my scissors, so we're gonna slice her open as usual, and this should be quick because it's only 5 pairs, so we'll see. I really hope everything is actually a size 10. That would be really annoying if there's anything in here that's not a size 10. I would not be happy about that. I mean, if it's a good size and a good brand and something I can resell, that's okay, but also I would like to have a box with, you know, all size 10 shoes so I can pick something for myself. Okay, where am I gonna put this box? So you got your little THREDUP paper. They're not even trying with this one. Rescue box, shoes, 5 pairs, size 10, $34, again before tax and shipping. I'm filming this before my kid's bedtime, so he might crash the party again. He did with my last shoebox unboxing, and if you want to check that out, I will link it up here. It's usually fun when he does, but also it's distracting, so let's just get through this. All right, I'm gonna place this box over here so I have some room to maneuver. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the most interesting ones first. They're leather for sure. Ah, oh, so cute. So these are Sam Edelman's, which I also got in my last box and which I personally don't hate. I don't always pick it up, but look at these stinking cute loafers right off the bat. That is a cute shoe. Come on. Has a little buckle up here like the horse bit, so it has a little bit of an equestrian look almost to it, but the shoe overall, oh my god, so cute. The soles are leather, size 10. Yeah, good shape. The sole doesn't look too horrible. Oh yeah, so the big question is, do I keep them or do I sell them because they're really cute? Will I wear them a lot? I don't know. I mean, I'm not into really wild shoes like that, but they're still black and somewhat, I wouldn't say neutral because they do have glitter and all of that, but they're so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Love them. Yeah, these might be a keeper. I have to look up comps. They seem to be in good shape. I don't see anything wrong with them right now. They are the Lorraine? Yeah, Lorraine. I like them. Okay, we got some... Okay, I know this is not a good brand. I don't know what this brand is, but I know it's not good. What is this brand? DG, CG, JG. What is this brand? I don't even know. I know, like, I've seen this label before. but I forgot what the actual brand is. But it's a cute shoe, I will say that. It's all man-made material, size 10 of course, but it's a cute shoe. It's like a little espadrille slingback with a round buckle here. So it's not, I mean, it's not ugly. It needs to be reshaped a little bit, but I can see somebody buying these. They're not going to pay a lot for them, but they will probably sell. I mean, we're moving into fall, but I think this is a style that could sell for sure. And everything seems to be in good shape with these. They have some wear on the sole, but not a ton. So far I'm not mad. These look interesting. Okay, Stuart Weitzman's, and I think this is newer label Stuart Weitzman, and they're in good shape. So they're silver and like a blush, very blush pink cream color. I'll have to clean them up just a little bit with a magic eraser, but they're in really good shape overall. You have the Stuart Weitzman in the back. Also very cute. If these weren't such a light color and also didn't have the whole disco silver going on, this would probably be a keeper for me too, but I think I'll resell them. They do have something that could be a style name, but it's CITW, so not city, I don't know if that's a style name, but they're made in Spain. Really cute. I mean, they're probably going to sell. And they have a little bit of elastic here. Let's find the other one. Okay, other one, yeah. Good shape. Again, I'll go over them with a magic eraser. This should come right off, I'm pretty sure. Or some Goo Gone. They do have the Stuart Weitzman on the sole as well, the initials. Not mad at these. I mean, it's not the, you know, biggest seller, but that's totally okay. What are these? Okay, this is another cheap brand, and I might keep them because they are a style that I like to wear. So the brand is Me Too. There you go. And these have some writing on the sole. Doesn't look like a price, but whatever. They probably came from some sort of thrift store. Obviously, I'll clean them up. Leather upper, so there's that. They're the Zeus, you know, like the god Zeus. Yeah, just a little ankle booty. So suede, slip on. I mean, they're not ugly. They're not horrible. I mean, I do have a lot of boots like this. They do have somewhere in the back here. So I'll see if I actually need these in my life. I might just list them, and if nobody buys them, then I'll pull them in the fall and wear them for a little while. Yeah, they have some wear in the back here. But again, nothing too horrible. So yeah, this is kind of what I was thinking, you know, if I find something for myself that I can wear that's maybe not really worth reselling for $8, it's not horrible. That's totally fine. Okay, we got one more pair. Also more of a fall style. These feel very light and cheap, so I don't have high hopes for these, but we're gonna find out. Oh yeah, it's the same brand as, wow, I'm pretty sure you all heard that motorcycle. So it's this brand again. It's just harder to see in here, but trust me, it's there. Yeah, it's not gonna show up. These are a little wedge booty, and I mean, I'm gonna try and sell these, but I will probably not make a big profit on these just because they're very lightweight and they're definitely a faux weight, but I mean, they're not ugly. So if I can get $15 for them, make a small profit, that might work out. They are lined. They have like a faux fur lining, so they're very soft on the inside. I'm trying to see if they have any information on the inside. There's a number in here, but I haven't really seen a style name of any sort. They do have the size on the bottom here, so also a size 10. So I didn't get anything that wasn't a size 10, which is good. And yeah, lots of neutral colors. Two booties that would work well for fall, but again, neither one is very exciting for those. Again, this is the other one. So this is kind of like a dark gray, and then it has the stacked heel, but it's a very cheap plasticky heel. But again, they're in good shape. This is not something I would keep. This is more heel than I like on my boots personally. So, and they have a scratch over here, but we'll see. I think I'll probably list them, but if they don't sell by the time we move in a few months, I might just donate them. So I think the best pair in the box is probably this one. I mean, the Stuart Weitzmans are nice too, and if I can get I don't know if I can get 30 bucks for the Stuart Weitzmans. That would be nice because after fees and such, I would still have around, what, $24? So that's most of the box. And then I feel like I need to sell these to make my money back on the box. But I kind of want to keep them. So what would you do? Would you keep these? Would you keep them for a while and then sell them? I don't want to ruin them, you know? But they're so pretty. And this is like the only pair I'm excited about from a keep them for myself standpoint. So I might keep those. I will list these, not for much. I'm gonna list these two, also not for much. And these I think I'm gonna list, and if they don't sell, I'll keep them. And then the Stuart Weitzmans, I'll definitely list. So was it an amazing box? No, absolutely not. But I do love these shoes. And I will probably keep them for a while. I'll see what they look like and how they feel when I put them on. This is not a try-on video, in case you were here for that. That's totally fine if that's what you're into, but it's just not that kind of channel. So yeah, 5 pairs in my size. So some of these I will be able to wear if they don't sell. Some of these I might keep for myself for longer because I just like them so much. And that was an interesting experience. Not my best box by far, but also not as horrible as it could have gotten. I feel like, you know, I always manage my expectations with THREDUP, and I always expect just to get a box full of like Old Navy flip-flops. That's where my expectation is at. So anything that's better than that, I'm like, okay, we're good. We can work with this. So yeah, not too bad. I think I got 2 decent brands and then 3 brands that are like meh. But overall, I think I can definitely make my money back. Of course, I would like to make some money on top of that. But this was fun, and I'm excited to try some of these on after I clean them and see what they look like, see if I like them on me, see if I like to keep them. You know, worst case scenario, if you order a box that is available in your size, you get 5 pairs of shoes to wear for yourself. It's not a horrible deal. I have only seen the size 10 boxes once. And I think all of the sizes except for like a 6 and a 6.5 sold out pretty fast. Whenever I've checked recently, they would go up to maybe like a 7, 7.5, and I debated that for a minute. And after I was done debating and decided, nah, it's too expensive, I checked again on the website and they had a size 10. So I was like, well, there she goes. So thank you for joining me for this short unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever tried one of these size-specific THREDUP boxes and what your experience was, and were you able to score a box in your own shoe size, and did you keep anything? And also, did you sell anything? Did you get anything really, really good? If you're interested in any of them, let me know in the comments down below or send me a message on Instagram. I'll put my information right here, and it's also always in the description. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you soon in another video. Cheers!